The Teletubbies were sound asleep, right close to their favorite things, Tinky Winky and Dipsy, Lala and Po, and the Nunu's taking a break. And suddenly they started hearing some noises. Tinky Winky jumped up. So did Dipsy. Next came Lala. And finally Po jumped up. They couldn't understand where the noise was coming from. And suddenly their good friend Cookie Monster Chef showed up. "Hi, Teletubbies. I'm here to say good morning." They said, "What's all the noise?" "I'm introducing you to my friend Thomas the Train," said Cookie Monster. "He's going to take you for a drive on his train. We just finished building a huge track all around your Teledrome." "What? A huge train track?" "Here comes Thomas now," said Cookie Monster. "Come on outside." "I can just hear him coming. Let's go up on the track. You'll see the track when you go outside." Tubbies rushed outside to see what Cookie Monster was talking about. "Look," said Cookie Monster, "we built this track all around the Tubbydrome so we can go for a drive. It goes all around the whole thing. I hear Thomas now. He's getting closer." "Hi," said Thomas. "I'm Thomas the Train. I'd like to meet the Teletubbies," he said to the Cookie Monster. "Sure," said Cookie Monster. "Come on over here, Teletubbies." Teletubbies come over to meet Thomas the Train. "I'm going to take you for a drive in my train," said Thomas. "Would you like that?" The Teletubbies said, "Yeah, that would be fun. Let's do it." "Okay," he said, "I got 5 train cars. We can all go for a ride," he said. "Jump in the back." So one by one, they all jumped in the train cars. Tinky Winky first. Dipsy second, Lala's third, and Po is in the 4th train car. "Let's go," said Thomas. "That was fun," they said. "Can we go again?" Cookie Monster said, "Thomas, can you take them again?" "Sure, no problem. Hang on, you guys, here goes." "That was lots of fun," the Teletubby said. "But what about the Nunu?" "The Nunu? Can he go for a drive, Thomas?" "Sure thing. Hop on, Nunu." So the Teletubbies jumped off the train and they parked the 4 boxcars back here, and they're gonna put the Nunu in this boxcar here. Before you knew it, the Nunu was in the back of Thomas the Train. "Let's go." Nunu's really excited. "That is fantastic," said Thomas. "I wonder if we can all go with the Nunu and the 4 Teletubbies. Let's get my boxcars." So Thomas backed up and shunted onto the 4 cars. And the 4 Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Po, we're going to attempt to go around the whole train track. You ready, Thomas? Cookie Monster loves this. Here goes. Here goes Thomas, Nunu, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Po. There. How was that? They loved it. Okay, everyone, let's get off the train. So the Nunu jumped off first. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Paul. And Thomas turned around to get ready to say goodbye. Bye-bye, said Thomas. Bye, Teletubbies. Thanks, Cookie Monster, for helping me build the track. No problem, Thomas. Anytime. Hope to see you back here again someday. I'm off now. Bye. Teletubbies, thank the Cookie Monster Chef for a fun day ahead today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you liked the video of Thomas meeting the Teletubbies and taking the Teletubbies for a drive around the track. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.